How to fix the issue of high uses of RAM in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu. In the search box, search for services. Once you do, shortly in the results you will see the service application. Click on Open and the service application will open on your window. Once it does, click on it and search for Background Intelligence Transfer Service. Right-click on it, go to its property and go to Startup Type. Simply disable this service. Click on Apply and then click on OK. After that, again in this service, you need to search for Sysmin. If you do not find the option of Sysmin, you will see this service under the name of Superfetch. Simply right-click on it, go to its property and then go to Startup Type. Disable this service as well. Click on Apply and then OK. Now after that you simply need to search for Window Insider service. Once you do, again right-click on it, go to its property and again in the Startup Type choose the option of Disable to disable this service. Once this services or program has been disabled on your device, your memory usage problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.